Replacing an exterior door may seem like a simple upgrade, but the quality of installation plays a major role in how well that door performs over time. From comfort and security to energy efficiency and curb appeal, professional door replacement offers advantages that go far beyond appearance. For homeowners in Washington, working with experienced professionals ensures new doors deliver lasting value and reliable performance. Proper fit makes all the difference. One of the biggest benefits of professional door replacement is precise fitting. Homes often settle over time, and door openings may no longer be perfectly square. A door that's even slightly misaligned can lead to gaps, drafts, and operational issues. Professional installers take exact measurements and make necessary adjustments to ensure the door fits snugly within the frame. For Washington homes, this precision helps prevent air leaks, moisture intrusion, and premature wear. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. Old or poorly installed doors are a common source of energy loss. Gaps around the frame allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to enter, making heating and cooling systems work harder. Professional door replacement ensures proper sealing, insulation, and weather stripping. In Washington homes, this leads to more consistent indoor temperatures, reduced drafts, and lower energy costs throughout the year. Enhanced security. You can trust a new door is only as secure as its installation. Professional installers reinforce door frames, align locking systems correctly, and ensure hardware functions as intended. This attention to detail strengthens the door's ability to resist forced entry. For Washington homeowners, professional installation provides peace of mind knowing their home is better protected. Protection against moisture and weather damage. Weather exposure can cause serious problems when doors aren't installed correctly. Improper flashing or sealing allows water to seep into walls and flooring, leading to mold, rot, and structural damage. Professionals use proven techniques to direct water away from the door opening. For Washington homes, this protection is essential for maintaining long-term structural integrity. Smooth operation and long-term durability. Doors that are improperly installed often stick, sag, or fail to close properly over time. Professional door replacement ensures hinges, frames, and hardware are aligned correctly, allowing smooth operation from day one. In Washington homes, this results in doors that open and close effortlessly and maintain performance for years. Increased curb appeal and home value. A professionally installed door sits flush, looks polished, and enhances the overall appearance of the home. Clean lines, proper trim, and a secure fit create a finished look that improves curb appeal. For Washington homeowners, this visual upgrade can increase perceived home value and make a strong impression on visitors and potential buyers. Avoiding costly future repairs. DIY or inexperienced installation can lead to hidden issues that surface later, such as air leaks, water damage, or frame deterioration. These problems often result in costly repairs or early replacement. Professional door replacement reduces these risks by ensuring the job is done correctly the first time, saving Washington homeowners money in the long run. Compliance and peace of mind. Professionals follow best practices and installation standards to ensure doors perform as designed. Homeowners benefit from knowing their investment is protected and built to last. In Washington, this level of confidence makes professional door replacement a smart and stress-free choice. A smart investment for Washington homes. Professional door replacement delivers more than a new look. It provides comfort, security, durability, and long-term savings. By ensuring proper fit, sealing, and installation, Washington homeowners can enjoy doors that perform reliably and enhance the overall quality of their home.